Passive income is earnings generated with minimal active involvement or effort after an initial investment of time, money or resources. It's money earned on an ongoing basis with little to no daily management. Here's a more detailed explanation. Investments. One of the most common forms of passive income is through investments like stocks, bonds, real estate or dividends. You invest your money and it generates returns over time. Rental income. Owning and renting out properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. It involves an initial investment in real estate, and the rental income comes in regularly. Royalties. If you have intellectual property like books, music or patents, you can earn royalties from their use without actively creating new content. Dividend stocks. Some stocks pay regular dividends to their shareholders, providing an ongoing income stream. Online businesses. Building a blog, YouTube channel or e-commerce store that generates income through ads, affiliate marketing or product sales can be a form of passive income. Peer-to-peer lending. Invest in peer-to-peer lending platforms where you lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Automated online courses or ebooks. Create and sell online courses or ebooks that continue to generate income without additional work once created. Franchise ownership. Owning a franchise can be a form of passive income, as the franchisee benefits from an established brand and business model.